Hey, this is Math 8, Unit 5, Lesson 20, the volume of a sphere. So it says, recall the volume of a sphere is given by the formula volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, so here's a sphere with a radius of about 4 feet. What is the volume of the sphere? And this is basically your cooldown again. So again, I usually don't do this one. We're going to answer it though in terms of pi. So knowing that you have a radius of 4, you're going to put that into that place there, and you're going to solve this and leave it in terms of pi. Remember though what cubed means. Cubed means we take a number, let's say it was 2, and we multiply it by itself, and by itself, and by itself. So 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 cubed is actually equal to 8, okay? So don't forget what that is asking you to do there. So solve that there for this one and see what you come up with for a radius of 4 feet. Number 2. A spherical balloon has a diameter of 4 feet. Well, the diameter is 4. We want to use the radius. The radius is half of that, so the radius is 2. Approximate how many cubic feet of air this balloon holds, and we're using 3.14 for pi. So our volume is going to be equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. We know we're keeping the 4/3 there. We're doing 3.14 for that, and we're doing 2 cubed, which we just did up above. So we have 4/3 times 3.14 times 8, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Yay. Alright, so now when I multiply all these things together, 8 times 3.14 times 4 divided by 3, I come up with 33.49 feet cubed for the volume of that sphere. Alright, and that's really about it there. And if you approximate it, you could say 3 divided by 3, this is about 1, right? Those almost eliminate each other. So 4 times 8 is 32, so you can see, yep, that's going to be right, because it's a little bit more than 3 there. Alright, for this next one, we're going to keep our answer in terms of pi using the same formula. So here we have a diameter of 10, which means I have a radius of 5. So we have 4/3 pi, and then we're going to do 5 cubed. 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. So we have 4/3 pi 125. So 125 times 4, or 125 times 4, is going to be 500 over 3 pi. Now if you want to make that a decimal, you could. This is going to be repeating though. You could also write 166.6 repeating pi. Both of those will work out just fine. Okay? Go ahead and do letter B on your own. It already gives you a radius, so you'll plug that in and see what you come up with. Alrighty. Make sure we got this right here. 5 times 5. Yep, okay. Cool. That's it for today. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.